Autel Robotics EVO Lite Enterprise 640T Bundle Edition, Thermal Imaging Power in a Compact Package. The Autel Robotics EVO Lite Enterprise 640T Bundle Edition is a versatile and powerful thermal drone designed for professional applications requiring detailed thermal imaging and reliable performance. This bundle provides a comprehensive solution for inspections, search and rescue, firefighting, and other critical operations. Key features: high-resolution thermal imaging, equipped with a 640 by 512 thermal imaging sensor. The EVO Lite Enterprise 640T captures detailed thermal data, enabling precise temperature measurements and analysis. High-resolution visual camera. Alongside the thermal camera, a high-resolution visual camera captures crisp and clear imagery, allowing for simultaneous visual and thermal data acquisition. Compact and portable design. The EVO Lite series is known for its lightweight and foldable design, making it easy to transport and deploy in various environments. Extended flight time. Designed for longer missions, the drone offers extended flight times, providing ample time to cover large areas and gather critical data. Intelligent flight modes. Benefit from a range of intelligent flight modes, including waypoint flight, orbit mode, and follow-me mode, simplifying complex flight operations and enhancing data collection. Advanced obstacle avoidance. The drone is equipped with advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, ensuring safe and reliable flight operations in challenging environments. Autel Skylink transmission. Experience stable and reliable video transmission with Autel Skylink technology, providing a clear and consistent feed to the remote controller. Enterprise Bundle. The bundle edition includes a comprehensive set of professional accessories, such as extra batteries, propellers, a carrying case, and potentially other specialized tools, ensuring you have everything needed for demanding missions. Precise temperature measurement. The thermal camera provides accurate temperature measurements, allowing for detailed thermal analysis and identification of hotspots or anomalies. Real-time thermal analysis. The drone allows real-time thermal analysis, so operators can make decisions quickly based on the data. Ruggedized design. Made to handle many different environments, the drone is built with a ruggedized design. Specifications: thermal sensor, 640 by 512 resolution. Visual camera, high resolution. Flight time, extended flight time. Transmission, Autel Skylink. Obstacle avoidance, advanced multidirectional sensors. Bundle includes EVO Lite Enterprise 640T drone, remote controller, multiple flight batteries, spare propellers, carrying case, charging hub, cables and accessories, potentially additional specialized tools. Applications: industrial inspections, power lines, solar panels, buildings, search and rescue operations, firefighting and hotspot detection, law enforcement and security, environmental monitoring, wildlife monitoring. Overall, the Autel Robotics EVO Lite Enterprise 640T Bundle Edition is a professional-grade thermal drone that offers exceptional performance and versatility. Its high-resolution thermal imaging, intelligent flight modes, and comprehensive bundle make it an ideal solution for a wide range of enterprise applications.